Much of the Nile water is used to irrigate level fields like this cotton field in central Sudan. These young cotton plants, which are being cultivated, could not grow without water from the Nile. Another important crop in the irrigated Sudan plain is dura, a staple grain like wheat or corn. These men are pulling weeds from an irrigated field of dura. The people of this arid plain live in simple circular houses like these, made of mud, straw, and reeds, taken from the banks of the Nile. Usually these people wear white clothing because it reflects the heat of the sun. On another side of the village, irrigated grass-covered plains provide pasture for many herds of cattle and other livestock. This woman lives in the older part of Khartoum, where the houses are built of mud or adobe. In the more modern residential section, dwellings look like these. Near Khartoum, people laboriously draw drinking water from wells dug deep in the earth, or scoop it directly from the same canals that irrigate their fields. But in Khartoum, modern electric pumps lift the Nile water to large settling tanks, where the impurities are removed. From there, the water is pumped to large storage tanks. Few American cities have purer water than Khartoum. But whether they come by camelback or train, by donkey or plane, they conduct their trade in such places as the livestock market at Omdurman, where meat and hides are traded. Here is another market where foods, clothing, and other articles are sold by local merchants. This merchant has many foods to sell: nuts, dates, dura, and wheat. The man is sifting wheat to make it ready for sale. Here is a place in the market where shoppers may rest and get a drink of water. During the heat of the day, the water buffalo is often turned loose from its labor in the fields to rest and cool itself in the Nile. Children of the Nile Valley welcome the chance to play in the water with these gentle animals. Unless these animals spend a part of each day in the water, their skin may crack open from the dry heat of the sun. In the river and in nearby canals, fishermen cast their nets to trap the many varieties of fish which live in the waters of the Nile.